Hello dear students, in this video we'll try to look at the important questions from number series and letter series. Basically in number series and letter series you will be having the questions on finding the next term and finding the missing term. And before we jump into the chapter, the basic prerequisites is remember 1 to 25 squares, 1 to 25 squares, and remember 1 to 20 cubes, at least 1 to 15 cubes. If you remember, you will be feeling very comfortable of solving, and A to Z alphabets. So if you look at the approach of solving the question, whenever you see any question from number series and letter series, just use an approach of going with the level of differences. Going with level of differences means, for example, here they are asking you to find out what is the next term in the sequence. We have 3, 8, 15, 24 and 35. So how to proceed with the solvation? Just observe the level of difference. This is how you have to start. So 3 to 8, the difference is 5. And 8 to 15, the difference is 7. Then 15 to 24, difference is 9. And 24 to 35, difference is 11. What are these numbers? If you are able to understand a logic in the level 1 difference, then that's fine. Otherwise, you can go for level 2 or level 3 based on the difficulty of the question. So in the level 2, I am able to see the difference of 2, difference of 2, difference of 2. That means next difference must be 2. If it is 2, this number must be maintaining a difference of 13. That means your answer choice will be 35 plus 13, which is equal to 48. So mark the answer. The next term is going to be 48. So this is what is the approach for solving all the questions of number series and letter series. In letter series, we are simply going to convert letters into numbers and we will be using the same logic of number series. So these differences will maintain some pattern. So differences can be a constant number, or it can be a natural number, or it can be perfect squares, perfect cubes, or powers of 2 or 3. And prime numbers. All these are the repeated pattern. So only thing is you have to go with level of difference. Let's take some questions so that you will get a clarity. Look at the first question on the screen. If you observe this question, 3z2a, 5x, 5c, 7v8e. What is the next term in the sequence? So to find out the next term, just look at 3 is a first term. 3 become 5. 3 become 5. There is a 2 increase. Again 5 becomes 7. There is a 2 increase. Then 7 will be increased by 2. 7 plus 2 is going to be 9. Your answer should start with 9. Look at which option is starting with 9. Either A or D will be the answer. Let's look at the alphabet. Z is 26 and X is 24 and V is 22. The next term should be so 26, 24, 22. The next term will be 20. 28th alphabet will be T. So answer should start with 790. Eliminate this, mark it as this. And if you want to find further values also you can find. But in the examination, marking the correct answer is important. So please focus on elimination method when you are solving the questions in the competitive exams. Let's look at the next question. Find the next term in the series. BD 16FH, something like that they given. So let me look at the number here. What is the number? 16, 64, 144, 256. Any logic here? Yes, these are square numbers. What is 16? 16 is 4 square. 64 is 8 square. 144 is 12 square. 256 is 16 square. What is happening here? 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So 20 square should come in the middle. 20 square is how much? 400. So answer should have the middle number as 400. I am eliminating two options here. And now you can check any one of the value. So let's look at this. This is H. This is P. This is X. This is F. So what is H position? H is 8th alphabet. What is P position? P is 16th alphabet. X position is 24. F position is 6. So if you observe the difference, there is a difference of 8 here. There is a difference of 16 to 24. Again 8 difference. 24 to 6. Again 8 difference, because till 26 2. And again 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So next difference also 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14th alphabet is going to be N. So your answer choice should end with N. So which of the option is ending with N? Only one. Mark the answer as B. Next question on the screen. Find the missing term here. We have the term like 0, 4, 18, 48, question mark and 180. So we have to find out the question mark value. To find out the question mark value, I am going with the level of difference as usually. The difference here is 4 and the next difference is 14 and the next difference is 30. but I am not able to find out the exact pattern by using the level 1 difference. So I am going with the level 2 difference. Difference here is 10, difference here is 16. Still I am not able to understand. Let's take the last level of difference. The difference here is 6. So because it is maintaining a 6 difference, next one will maintain a 6 difference. So 16 plus 6 is going to be 22. If this is 22, the next difference will be 30 plus 22, 52. If this is 52, your answer is 48 plus 52, which is equal to 100. So mark the answer as 100. And if you are not able to figure out like this, you can also look at, there is a simple pattern number which is available. This is 2 square into 1. This is 3 square into 2. This is 4 square into 3. And what about this? This is 1 square into 0. So pattern is n square is multiplied with n minus 1. So similarly, your question mark should be 5 square into 5 minus 1, 4. 5 square is 25, 25 into 4, 100. Like that also you can solve. Let's look at the next question. So if you observe this question, W23, B50, something like that, they given the values. So W23, B50. So let me take any one of the thing, like you can start with number or you can start with alphabet as per your wish. So let's start with the alphabet here. So if you observe the alphabet, alphabet is W, which is 23rd alphabet. B is second alphabet. G is fifth alphabet, sorry, 7th alphabet, and L is 12th alphabet, and Q is 17th alphabet. By looking at this, we are able to realize one pattern. What is the pattern? If you can observe 2 to 7, difference of 5, difference of 5, difference of 5. That means next one should maintain a difference of 5. 17 plus 5 is 22. That means answer should start with V. Eliminate option A and option C. And you can observe this also is maintaining a difference of 5 because we have till 26. So this is 3 and 2. So there is difference of 5. And now let's look at the number. Understand what is the pattern or difference in the number. 23 to 50. What is the difference? 23 to 50, there is a difference of 27. And 50 to 114. What is the difference? 50 to 114. 114 minus 50 is 64. By looking at this 27 and 64, as soon as you look at these numbers, you have to understand these are cube numbers. And let's look at the next difference. 144 to 239. 239 minus 114. If you find out the difference, we are getting a result as 125. That means 5 cube. Next, 6 cube difference will come. So next one will maintain a difference of 7 cube. What is 7 cube? 7 cube value is going to be 343. So it will maintain a difference of 343 from 455. So 455 plus 343 will give you your actual answer. This is 8, this is 9, this is 7. So 798 should be the term after V. So answer must be B. Eliminate option D. So this is a solution. Hope you understand. Let's do some practice questions and solve the questions. Comment your answer choices in the chat box. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 3. Question number 4. Thank you so much.